Hello, for Uber?
Yes.
Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yes.
Hi, come on in. Hi, what's the name?
Anna.
Anna.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm doing good. What about you? The day just started.
My day is a whole lot better now that you're here.
Oh, thank you.
You are beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Make
you.
sure to put your seatbelt on. It's you know, I'm a cool Uber driver, but you know, safety first. Safety first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
So-
I should, right?
So what are you up to today?
Today.
It's a beautiful day out.
I'm going to my nails appointment. Actually.
Oh, well, what time is it at?
It is 12.
Oh, so you got time. You got time. So the reason I ask is because, you know, it's kind of early. I haven't had my coffee yet. Would you maybe want to go grab a cup of coffee real quick with me?
I mean, you're the Uber, right?
Yeah, I know, but like, I kind of need to get coffee because I have to work a lot today. So I, you know, maybe kill two birds with one stone and we go grab coffee together. And, you know, who knows where it might lead.
I mean, yeah, like, okay, but
You want to go with me?
yeah, we can go.
Yeah?
Yeah. You gonna pay for the coffee for me?
Of course, of course. I'm an Uber driver. I make so much money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
I'll buy you dinner too if you want. I mean, let's get too ahead of ourselves.
Well, I just need to do my appointments now.
No. I mean later, obviously.
Like what?
But let's get coffee first, and you know, see where things go. And what do you say?
What do you mean, like, see where things go?
I mean, I don't have any expectations. But like, you know,
Expectations? I just ordered a Uber. I need to do my nails.
I know,
don't
but-
know what you're talking about. Starbucks.
okay, I'm sorry.
coffee, or...
Please forgive me. Let's go to Starbucks. Let's start there. Okay?
Start there what?
Get a coffee. What do you like to drink? Matcha? You look like a matcha girl.
I mean,
You like chai? Chai tea?
I like matcha, of course.
Wait, let me guess. Pumpkin spice. You're a pumpkin spice girl. I knew it.
I mean, I like matcha, but I just...
Perfect. Let me take you get some matcha. What do you say?
Okay, but need to be close to my appointment because...
Well, it might be
Well,
5
if you're
minutes late.
paying,
It might be
like,
5
let's do
minutes
that,
late.
though,
It's
but-
okay. Okay, so you want to go?
Yeah, we can go.